So hello everyone and welcome back, and I am back with another interesting video where I'm going to tell you which of the Titan is the worst one here. As we all know, every Titan is like a ace card to their race, and without their Titan it's like their race is basically useless. And currently there are 5 to 6 commanders, or you can say Titans, in the whole Skibidi history, which includes Titan Cameraman, Titan Speakerman, Titan TV Man, the G-Man Titan, the Scientist, and maybe the Commander UFO Toilet. So out of these, we are going to find out which one did the less or the least for their race. So without any further ado and without any excuses, let's start this video with a banger. So let's just first assume what characters are we exactly going to consider to actually describe what we are going to happen. Alright, so let's consider what we are going to have to consider for this video in order to get our result in which is the most useless leader in the history. So of course, we will start with the first race to the last race. So the first race is going to be the Titan Cameraman race, because of course it was the first race to ever rescue in Skibidi Toilet, or you can say basically Skibidi Toilet for the first one, but the Titan Cameraman race was the actually first one, because when the Cameraman race appeared, it was basically when the plot actually was appearing in the scene, and before that all it was a meme. So let's discuss about Titan Cameraman. Well, Titan Cameraman is actually a pretty goated character. He's done almost everything for the Alliance, and he's in for always all missions. He was disappeared for like 23 or 25 episodes because of his loss, but his comeback is still going on. It's still one of the best comebacks, and it still hasn't run out. You can actually imagine how strong he is to even keep up now. He can keep up with the Astros with the technology of like 20 years old, which is not a joke at all. That's actually pretty crazy. Man, seriously, just imagine being in every vision, helping in everything, and helping every race, not only their own race. Titan Cameraman has done something for every race, including the Astros and the Skibidi Toilet races. I'm not really sure what he has done for the Astro Toilet, but he has definitely done something really good. And the Titan Cameraman has always helped everyone. And now, he's also one of the most goated and one of the most favorite character for all of the fans. Now let's move on to the second race which appeared in Skibidi Toilet, which is of course our one and only Speakerman race. Now, the leader of the Speakerman race is of course our Titan Speakerman, which is actually a interesting and a very agile Titan. This Titan is the smallest and the fastest of them all. He can move in rapid speeds, he can travel really easily, he can really attack at a different level of speed. He is basically a small version of Titan Cameraman which can actually attack with speed. Titan Cameraman has brute force, Titan Speakerman has agility and speed and reflexes, which is a deadly combo and a deadly duo, which we also got to see in episode 59 and 65. But to its full potential, we saw them both injured in episode 67, still fighting one of the most powerful Skibidi Toilets in the history, which is actually pretty impressive. Now, that is what you call a interesting and a well-willed power. Titan Speakerman is a force to be reckoned with. But of course, we are going to move on to the next race, which is the the TV race. This is the best race in order for the Skibidi Toilet, the Cameraman, to survive. You see, when all hope was lost, we saw that everything is going to be bad and the Skibidos are going to take over. It's them who saved us, and the hope was still alive. At that point, we thought even Titan Cameraman couldn't help. But when we saw the TV Man, we saw and we knew that we have some hope. The TV Men were not really a big deal, but when the Titan TV Man came, it was all table turns. There's literally no one who can actually compete here. And Titan TV Man is actually goated here. He is actually one of the best characters out there. He has helped Alliance in many ways. When all hope was lost, he showed up and saved everyone, everything, and every single episode about 44. Past the 41 episode, everything was saved by Titan TV Man, and he's still running out there, only to discover that he's going to be infected, and he's now infected. And now, let's move on to our next target, which is going to be the one and only Astro Race. The Astro Race has a really bad commander, which is the new UFO toilet, which is recently upgraded, and he is one of the best out there in case of speeds. But when it comes to the leaderships, he's actually trash and bad in every single thing. He doesn't care about his colleagues, his under juniors, anything. He just wants to complete his mission given by his actual leader, which is bad and really ruthless for a leader to actually do. And of course, out of them, this one doesn't really count because it's not a leader, it's just a commander. So let's move on to Skibidi Toilets. Skibidi Toilets has a lot of things up their sleeve, but the most standing out and the best out of them is, of course, and definitely the G-Man Toilet. G-Man Toilet is a force to be reckoned with, and he is actually immortal. He cannot be killed, and he hasn't been killed. He has been surviving for episode 7 till now, which is actually impressive and deadly. 70 episodes is a lot to consider here. If we see, he's the longest one to survive so far. Even Titan Cameraman hasn't lived so long, which really proves the fact that he's one of the best out there. But to answer the question which one is the most useless leader, we have an obvious answer and the best answer out there. It is definitely the Titan Speakerman, because as we all know, Titan Speakerman took 23 to 24 episodes just being infected, while Titan Cameraman was out there being upgraded and was actually helping. The Titan Speakerman was doing the opposite. He was killing the Alliance members while being infected and was upgraded by the Skibidi Toilets, which is actually a disgrace to them. So that answers our question which one is the best, and I hope you enjoyed this one.